to struggle to get up in these heels. Um, well, I think first of all I should probably thank IFTA and the Academy for this award. I've gotten it before and it never feels any less special because it comes from people from my own country who I love very much, and some of you I know very well, and I'm just delighted that you enjoyed me in a movie that I had the most incredible experience getting to play this character. Working with some amazing people like Peter Jackson and Fran Walsh and Philippa Boyens and all of these wonderful people in New Zealand. It was a dream, so thank you very much. No, I think it's always exciting because as well it's usually for a different character each time. I mean, you know, each award season it's always for a different movie, so it's always going to be a new experience, and especially if it's one that you really care about and one that you loved working on, like I did with The Lovely Bones. It means so much. So, and it's my first Best Actress one as well.